VLC is the Swiss Army knife of video tools. It's a free or open source media player that will work on Windows, Macs, and Linux machines. Now this video is going to go through a few of the features of VLC and possibly some that even the most seasoned users of VLC may not even be aware existed. VLC is an awesome player of audios, videos, even DVDs and audio CDs. VLC can convert videos from most formats to other formats. Heck, they can even rip DVDs. VLC can convert videos to different sizes as well as different formats. And get this, VLC can stream content from your computer to your private network or even on the web. VLC can even capture your own screen activity. And this powerful and versatile tool is free of cost, free of ads, and free of spyware. So you head on over to videoland.org, and as you can see as you scroll down the page, they've got several projects or products, but the one we're interested in is VLC Media Player. Now they have the download link for us right here, big blue button, and at the time of this recording, the current version is 2.1.0. And the one thing I want to point out here is that once you download this to your computer, for everything to work properly, you need to install it as an administrator. In other words, once you have it downloaded, and in this case I'm using Windows 7, you would right click on it and then click on this link right here, Run as Administrator. And before you begin the installation process, make sure that you shut down all of your other applications. Okay, now that you've got it downloaded, you've got it installed, and if you're interested in some of the features, because like I said, I'm not going to be able to go into all the different features of the VLC Media Player, but you can check this link out here, and if you want to give your VLC player a different look, you've got some skins here, and if we come over here under VLC, you even have some additional extensions that you can work with. Have lots of fun with this, and again, there's no cost whatsoever. Here under Support, you've got an FAQ section, wiki, and a forum section, so in case you have any questions beyond what this video is answering for you, you've got your options right here to check into. So let's go ahead and open up our VLC software, and the first thing I want to do is show you how you can convert a video format to a different format. And you come up here to Media, click on the Convert/Save option. Right here under File, go to Add, navigate to the location of the video file that you want to convert to a different format, and this is the guy right here, and as you can see it's a .avi, and I want to change it to a .mp4, and I'm also going to change the size. I'm going to click on Open, and it brings it into VLC. Next step, come on down here to Convert/Save and hit that drop down arrow, click on Convert, and now we want to leave all this stuff alone, and this is the guy that I'm going to be converting it to. H.264, and the audio is going to be MP3. Now you can choose from any of these other guys here if that's what you're wanting. You can even adjust this preset by going into this tool section here, and you have plenty of options here. You can even adjust the video codec, audio codec, and other items related to the audio like the sample rate, even the bit rate. And under the video codec is where you can change the resolution or the size. For example, I want to change this to 640 by 360 and click on Save. At this point, we now want to browse to the location of our destination file. I'm just going to put it in the same location as the source file, just make sure I give it a different name. And also you want to make sure you're going to add the proper extension. Now then you click on Save, click on Start, and depending upon the size of the file and the power of your computer will depend on how long it takes. Obviously, it didn't take too long. Here's the converted file right here. So let's go ahead and open that up. Very good. So I want to also show you how you can capture your screen activity, something that a lot of people just aren't aware that VLC Media Player can actually do. Come on back up here to Media, click on Convert and Save. Let's go and get rid of this guy here. We're done with him. But this time you want to come over to the capture device and click on Desktop. And I'm going to change this to 10. Now you can change it to whatever you want, but the higher the number, the more juice it's going to take out of your computer to work properly. But also the lower the number, the more pixelated or lower quality your capture is going to be. Now this time we click on this guy here and we want to click on Stream. Then click on Next, and under the new destination you've got these options here, which by the way, if you're going to be streaming content from your computer to the internet, then you might want to check out the HTTP, but that's something that's a little beyond the scope of this video, but I will point you in the right direction here in just a minute. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on Add, and File will be my destination. Browse to the location where I want that to be saved, and I want to give that file name a name, and I want to save it as a .mp4. Click on Save. Click on Next. And if you want, you can even activate the transcoding and change the format to something else. But I'm going to leave it as is. And then just click on Stream. Now at this point, it is recording the screen. And just move things around here just to show that it will work. And you got the counter right here. And let's go and click on Stop. And let's go to Media, Open File. And there it is. So you can see it captured the entire screen, which shows me recording this. Now as far as streaming content from your computer or server to other computers on your network or to computers on the internet, rather than me taking an additional 20 or 30 minutes to explain that in detail, I'm going to go ahead and refer you to our friends over at Google and have you just do a search for how to stream using VLC Internet Streaming Server, and make sure that you select videos, and if videos are not showing, then just go to this More tag, and then videos should be right up close to the top. But under videos, under this search, you're looking at the first couple of results that pop up here. These will explain to you in a couple of different steps how to serve the content on your computer to a private network or to other computers on the internet. And as I had mentioned earlier, if you have any questions whatsoever that were not answered by this video, come on over to the support section on videoland.org. Check out the FAQ, the wiki, or the forums. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on an introduction to the VLC media player. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.